Here I will show you about disproportionation reaction and how we are going to use the method of using oxidation number to balance the disproportionation reaction. So if you are wondering about what is disproportionation reaction is a reaction where you have a substance and they can be both oxidized and reduced at the same time. In this case, in this example, you can see Cl2 is being oxidized and reduced. So without wasting any time, so let's actually move on and try to solve this. So in order to do this, you need to actually do the same thing. So you have to identify which one is going to be oxidized, which one is going to be reduced. So the one that is going to be oxidized, so you can look at the oxidation number. This is going to be 0. This is going to be -1. Okay, this one you need to calculate. So let's actually calculate for that. So Cl, I put x, so plus 3 times -2 is going to be -6 equals to -1. So x equals to -1 plus 6, I will get plus 5. Okay, so here I have the Cl2 change into Cl minus. So this one is going to be reduced in oxidation number, or a decrease in oxidation number. So therefore it's a reduced reaction. So if I put Cl2, okay, to give you Cl minus, that's going to be reduced. And if I write down the oxidation, I'll just put Cl2 again, yeah, Cl2, and then they are going to be giving us ClO3 minus. Okay, so we just need to put that. So here, okay, we have calculated. So this one is 0, oxidation number is 0. And then this one is going to be -1. And this is going to be plus 5 for the Cl. So here we can see, okay, that is going to be increased by 5 units, and this is going to be decreased by 1 unit. So here, what we need to put together is, okay, we need to actually find out in terms of electron. So oxidation is oil, this is rig, so oxidation is loss. So this one, every 1 mole of Cl, please take note of this. Every 1 mole of Cl, they are going to lose 5 electrons. But since we are having Cl2, so every Cl2, they are going to lose 10 electrons. Please take note of this. So again, this is going to be Cl2. So every 1 mole of Cl, okay, in this case, reduction is gain of electron, they will gain how many electron? -1. So they will gain 1 electron. But since we are having Cl2, they are going to gain, okay, instead of 1 electron, they are going to gain 2 electrons. So now we need to find the lowest common multiple. Okay, the lowest common multiple that we need to look is between 10 and 2. So because we need to eliminate the electrons, so I will actually use the lowest common multiple, which is going to be 10. So I times this by 5. So when I times by 5, I will get 10 electrons, okay, and then the 10 electrons, they will actually cancel with each other. So here, okay, I'm going to actually put 5. I need to times everything by 5. So here, I'll just put 5 here, okay. This part, we can actually leave it for a while, okay. So here, I'm going to actually times by 1, okay. So this one, we leave it as 1. So what we are going to do, because this earlier, we actually separated this into Cl2 and Cl2. So what we did was one of it, okay, we times by 1. So this is 1. And then this Cl2, we times by 5. So times by 5. So remember, this is plus. Okay, so both of these represents together for Cl2. And if you have one Cl2, okay, one Cl2, it means you are going to get, okay, this one is going to be ClO3, okay. So what we need to do is to balance, we try to balance. So if you have one Cl2, okay, you must have 2, okay, the number 2 there. So this Y most likely is going to be 2. I just put 2 there. And then here, if this one is going to be 5 Cl2, so the Cl minus, okay, this one is going to be 5 Cl2 is going to give you the Cl minus. So it will have, okay, a total of 10 Cl minus, okay, 10 Cl minus. So we are going to use, okay, we are going to write, okay, hold on. This is going to be when we put 5, okay, we are going to times this, okay, when we put 5, hold on, yeah, 5Cl2, and then to give you Cl minus, so it's going to be 10, so this one is going to be 10, okay, 10. So here, okay, if I rewrite again, do remember, okay, Cl2 and Cl2, so that's going to be 1 plus 5, so 6 Cl2, okay. I haven't find out for OH minus yet, to give you 10 Cl minus plus 2 ClO3 minus, and then we have not found out about ZH2O. So we just need to actually figure out about the OH minus and then this H2O, but the rest of it, okay, the charges has been balanced. So we just need to balance this. So what number that we need to put, okay, please take note. So this one you need to actually do trial and error, okay, or investigation error, investigation method. So you need to try, okay. So for example, here I have a total of, okay, if I have 2 here, so there are going to be 6O, and then hydrogen, okay, so here if I use this value as 1, okay, if I put 1, so what is going to happen, I'm going to have total of 6 oxygen plus 1, 7 oxygen. So if I have 1, then here this is going to be 2, okay. So I only have total of 2 oxygen. I don't get 7 oxygen. So definitely cannot use 1. Okay, cannot use 1. So I will try different numbers. Okay, like for example, let's say I try 2. If I try 2, I have 6 oxygen. And then if I put 2 there, I have another 2 oxygen. So I have total of 8 oxygen. So if I put 2 there, the hydrogen is going to become 4. So I need to put 4. If I put 4, I will only have on my left hand side 4 oxygen. So not suitable also. Cannot. So let's try 3. Okay, if I put 3, so I will have, okay, total of 9 oxygen. And if I put 3 here, 6 hydrogen. So this one will become 6. So I only have 6 oxygen on my left hand side. So not suitable. So let's actually try some more. Okay, 4. If I put 4, what will happen? If I put 4 here, I am going to have 4 oxygen here. So I have 6 plus 4, 10 oxygen. So if I have 10 oxygen, okay, and then I put 4, 8 hydrogen. So I need to put 8 here. So if I put 8 here on my left hand side, so you will get 8 oxygen. Okay, so here I have only 10 oxygen. So still cannot. So let's actually put 5. Okay, if I put 5, okay, I will get 5 oxygen. So I put 5 oxygen. So I'm going to get 11 oxygen. So if I put 5 there, okay, I'm going to get 10 hydrogen. So I put 10. So the oxygen is going to be 10 oxygen, 10 hydrogen. So here is going to be still not balanced. Okay, so cannot. So if I put 6, so 6, I am going to get 6 oxygen. So plus 6 oxygen, I'm going to get 12 oxygen. Okay, if I put 6 oxygen, I'm going to have 12 hydrogen there. So I'll put 12 hydrogen here. So if I put 12, there's 12 oxygen. So it's balanced now. Okay, so it's trial and error. So what I found out is I am going to get 6Cl2 plus 12 OH minus to give me 10 Cl minus plus 2 ClO3 minus plus 6, okay, H2O. So if I look over here, I can simplify this, okay, divide everything by 2. So when I divide by 2, I will get 3Cl2 plus 6 OH minus 5 Cl minus plus ClO3 minus plus 3 H2O. So they want the V, X, and Y. Okay, the V is 3. Okay, and then the X is going to be 5. Okay, 3, 5. And what is going to be your Y? Y is going to be 1. So this is going to be C. So this is how we do this. It's a bit challenging. Okay, so this is going to be the method to solve for disproportionation reaction. So please take note.